Welcome to Paws Real Facts. Today we embark on an incredible journey through the heart of the African savanna, one of the planet's most fascinating ecosystems. Get ready to meet 10 extraordinary animals that turn this landscape into a living wildlife spectacle. You'll discover how the cheetah achieves unbelievable speeds, the elephant's remarkable memory and empathy, the pride's coordinated hunting strategies, how giraffes pump blood 6 meters up, the semi-aquatic life of hippos, the buffalo's unbeatable herd defense, the meerkat's vigilant watch, the wildebeest's epic migration, the ostrich's 70 kilometers per hour sprint, and the zebra's stripy mysteries. So adjust your binoculars, don your explorer's hat, and let's uncover the secrets of the African savanna together. If you're enjoying this video, hit like, subscribe, and share with someone who loves animals. 1. Cheetah, the fastest land animal. Imagine a Formula One car fused with a feline. That's the cheetah, capable of reaching up to 112 kilometers per hour in short bursts. Anatomy and physiology. Super flexible spine acting like a spring. Powerful hind leg muscles for explosive acceleration. Semi-retractable claws providing traction like racing tires. Hunting strategy. Cheetahs hunt by day, spotting prey from distances of hundreds of meters, then unleashing a single high-speed sprint to catch it. They tire quickly after about 400 to 500 meters. They overheat and must rest, risking their kill being stolen by lions or hyenas. Limits and endurance. They sustain top speed for under a minute. Excess heat buildup forces them to pant heavily and wait up to half an hour before the next chase. Records. A cheetah filmed in Namibia hit 98 kilometers per hour in 2012, setting a living speed record and showcasing peak evolutionary design. 2. Elephants. Giant memory and empathy. The African elephant is the largest land mammal and one of the most intelligent. They live in matriarchal herds led by an older female who guides the group using memories of water sources and threats. Memory and navigation. Matriarchs recall water holes unseen for years, ensuring survival during droughts. Knowledge passed down through generations safeguards the entire herd. Empathy and mourning. Elephants visit the bones of lost kin, gently touching skulls with their trunks for days. They exhibit mourning behaviors, standing vigil and covering remains with leaves. Tool use. Elephants use branches to swat flies and mud as skin sunscreen. They rake deadwood to create pathways to water. Conservation icon. Their fight against ivory poaching highlights their role as symbols of wildlife preservation. 3. Lions. Coordinated hunting strategies. The king of the jungle reigns in coordinate hunting ballets within pride territories. Social structure. Prides consist of related lionesses and a coalition of males defending territory. Lionesses, the primary hunters, choreograph stealthy dusk ambush. Hunting tactics. Role division. Some circle to drive prey while others wait in ambush. Use of tall grass and terrain for camouflage. Target weaker impalas, wildebeest, and zebra calves. Feeding and hierarchy. Males eat first, followed by lionesses and cubs. Post-hunt rest under acacia trees to digest and recover. Ecological impact. Prides control herbivore numbers, preventing overgrazing and maintaining savanna balance. 4. Giraffes. Pumping blood to 6 meters high. A giraffe's heart and vascular system must generate enormous pressure to deliver blood to its brain 6 meters above ground. Cardiovascular anatomy. 12 kg heart with thick muscular walls. Strong one-way valves preventing backflow when the neck lowers. Shunt mechanism. Carotid arteries have rapid response valves that adjust blood flow instantly to protect the brain from pressure spikes. Feeding patterns. 45 cm prehensile tongue strips leaves from tall branches, reducing feeding competition. Sleep 10 to 30 minutes per day in short standing naps to stay vigilant. Reproduction. 15-month gestation and newborns run within hours to evade predators. 5. Hippos. the jovial aquatic giants. Hippos may look lazy, but they are ecosystem engineers of Africa's waterways. Semi-aquatic adaptations. Skin secretes a red-tinted blood sweat, acting as sunscreen and antibiotic. Nostrils and eyes positioned high allow breathing in sight while submerged. Social behavior. Groups of 10 to 30, called pods, regulate body temperature and protect calves. Territorial marking via flared tails spraying dung. Aggression. Despite docile looks, hippos charge boats and bite intruders underwater. Ecological impact. Their trampling shapes riverbeds. Dung fertilizes aquatic ecosystems, boosting fish populations. 6. Buffaloes, the formidable herd. African buffaloes stand as a mass defense against predators and irresistible force. Defense tactics. Herd forms a protective circle with calves at the center. Coordinated charges use horns and bulk to scare off lions and hyenas. Ecological role. Selective grazing promotes fresh grass growth. Droppings fertilize soil supporting diverse plant life. Parasite resistance. Natural resilience to tsetse fly-transmitted diseases. Cultural significance. Key resource for local communities, meat, hides, and cultural symbols. 7. Meerkats, the vigilant sentinels. Meerkats master cooperation with sentinel systems and vocal dialects. Sentinel system. Each group rotates guard duty every 15 minutes. Alarm calls alert to hawks, snakes, or mammalian predators. Communication and dialects. Regional variations in calls convey specific threat types and urgency. Social structure. Cooperative care of orphan pups strengthens group bonds. Division of labor includes digging burrows and foraging. Altruistic behaviors make meerkats icons of teamwork. 8. Wildebeest, the Great Migration. The wildebeest migration is one of nature's greatest spectacles. Species en route. Blue wildebeest, Conochetes tyrrhenus, trek 2,900 kilometers between Serengeti and Masai Mara. Black wildebeest, Conochetes nu, migrate across southern Africa's plains. Migration challenges. Nile crocodile-infested rivers, seasonal floods and thunderstorms. Exhaustion and predator ambush by lions and hyenas. Herd survival. Massive numbers dilute individual predation risk. Dead animals feed vultures and crocodiles, closing the nutrient cycle. Ecological impact. Trampling and grazing refresh grasslands. Migration corridors connect distinct habitats. 9. Ostriches, feathers for speed. Ostriches are the fastest land birds, reaching 70 kilometers per hour with wings that never take flight. Running anatomy. Long legs with powerful muscles for sprinting. Two-toed feet reduce weight and enhance stride efficiency. Reproduction. Males create shallow communal nests for multiple females. Elaborate mating dances with feather displays. Defense. Kick strong enough to kill predators. Burst sprint and zigzag patterns evade chasers. Ostriches' prove wings aren't only for flying. They're turbo engines on the ground. 10. Zebra, stripes of deception. Zebra stripes puzzle scientists. Why black and white? Main theories. 1. Thermoregulation. Stripes create micro-air currents cooling the skin. 2. Insect deterrent. Tsetse flies struggle to land on striped surfaces. 3. Predator confusion. Herd stripes blur boundaries, confusing predators. Migration and herd behavior. Zebras line up in orderly ranks during long treks, amplifying the confusion effect. Each stripe is a natural marvel combining function and artistry. Today we explored the extremes of the African savanna, from the cheetah's speed to the elephant's wisdom, the lion's strategy to the giraffe's vascular marvel, the hippo's aquatic might to the buffalo's herd defense, the meerkat's teamwork to the wildebeest's epic journey, the ostrich's sprint to the zebra's striped secrets. Which curiosity amazed you most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this virtual safari, please hit like, subscribe to Paws Real Facts, and share with someone who loves wildlife. See you next time for another wild adventure.